Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haider. Today, I will show you how to pray 2 Rakah Salah, step by step.
We must remember a few important things. Our body must be clean. Our clothes must be clean. The place must be clean.
We must face the Qibla, and it must be the correct prayer time.
We start the prayer by calling takbir, Allahu Akbar. We raise our hands to ears while palms facing Qibla. Then we bring our hands down. In prayer, you can leave the hands on the sides or bring them together by placing right hand on top of left at navel.
Raise your hands and say Allahu Akbar. Place your right hands over your left.
If we have started the prayer, we would recite Salah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. Salah, we recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Then we recite one or more surahs. I will recite Surah Al-Kawthar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ إِنَّ شَانِئَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ. Once this is all completed, our work in Qiyam is done and we move to Ruku. In Ruku, we recite at least 3 times. Subhana Rabbil Azim, Subhana Rabbil Azim, Subhana Rabbil Azim. After this, we can make dua in Ruku also. After Ruku, we return to Qiyam by saying Samillahu liman hamida. By reaching Qiyam, we say Rabbana lakal hamd. From this position of Qiyam, as I'm standing now, we move to Sajdah, in fact 2 Sajdas, by saying Allahu Akbar and read 3 times Subhana Rabbil A'la. This is the preferred position to make duas. After first Sajdah, we sit in Jalsa and we say Astaghfirullah. Our first rakah is complete. And we return to Qiyam by saying Allahu Akbar. Now we are in Qiyam and we need to repeat rakah. Note that in the second rakah, we read Fatiha and another surah in Qiyam and make Ruku and Sajdah same as first rakah. In second rakah, at the completion of second sajda, we do not stand up but sit down as we did in Jalsa, in between first and second sujood. This position is called Tashahhud. We recite first At-Tahiyyat, then we do Durud Ibrahimi. At-Tahiyyatu lillahi was-salawatu wa tayyibatu assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluh. Derud Ibrahimi. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka hamidum majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka hamidum majid. Now there's another opportunity to make duas before salam. Once the above steps is completed, we say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This completes the 2 rakahs of salah. I hope this may become useful for teaching children to perform 2 rakahs of salah. I thank you for your listening and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all.